What the hell? Damn. I was streaming the whole time. Damn. I thought I was streaming the whole time. Nah. No. I thought I was streaming the whole time. Nobody told me. Y'all know I streamed for longer than that. Damn. Nobody in the Discord told me anything. Usually when I end the stream, I say bye and all different types of. Nobody told me anything. No. No. No, man. They ain't nobody told me nothing. This whole time I've been working on this project, I thought I was streaming. And I was like, oh, the stream is staying at 10 viewers consistently. That's interesting. And when I said something, nobody said anything. And that's what happened yesterday. So I was like, I guess we got 10 people watching and everybody just chilling. I had no idea. Yeah. That sucks. Yeah, man. I was working on the recipe finder website. I had, when I tell you I had no idea there's a stream went down, I'm over here. I'm over here clickety clacking my ass off. Okay? And nobody told me the stream went down. I'm yelling at people in Discord now. Dang. Well, damn. Mm-mm. I didn't know it went down. I thought it came back up. I'm gonna make a channel called Stream Went Down. Um, hold up. I forgot how to make a new category. Oh yeah. Dang, man. I think the worst part about it is, I wanted my entire coding journey to be, you know, put on here. So it's like, nah, a chunk of it is gone. That's kind of sad. How long was I? What do you mean where? I said a chunk of the journey is gone because I went down. Hold on, how long was I? I was on. Hold on. Out 54 minutes. Had it been? How long had I been out? I don't know, man. I don't know. Either way, it don't matter. We're back. That's kind of depressing though. 30. Damn. 30 minutes. No. Let me tell y'all. What's up, Trey? Let me tell y'all something. If the stream goes down suddenly, just go into the Discord and say something. Usually I give, like I don't know if y'all been here towards the end of the stream, but usually there's a big goodbye and all this extracurricular ass shit. Nah, I'm good, Trey. Like the stream went down and I was still coding and I thought I was talking to people. OBS didn't say a thing. OBS didn't say a damn thing. Man, that sucks. I was over here. Well, I guess I could tell y'all what I was doing for the last 30 minutes. Um, I was just editing this. Well, I got a 375. Now I got to edit these cards. That's all I was doing. That is so great that you use Arch. It seems like a lot of people that use Arch like to tell other people that they use Arch. OBS played with you for real because why it showed you 10 people. Exactly. It was. I wish I would have screenshotted it. It literally showed me 10 people were watching and then the views kept going up. And I was like, okay. Anyway, what was I doing? It's okay. It's all right. I need to delete this. Look at the Figma file. So what was I doing for the last 30 minutes? What's up, Jacob? So what was I doing for the last 30 minutes? My stream went down, Jacob, and I didn't even know. OBS didn't even tell me. Maybe it was for the best. What if something happened? That's weird. OBS doing OBS things. That light is bright as hell. Also, now you want to come up in here? Yeah, man. I saw you cooking. You were cooking eggs. Please get into vibe coding before you want to become a web developer. Quan Lee NR9FI. Quan Lee. I'm trying to be a better man. Usually I would just. I like your room giving Mr. Robot vibes. I don't know if that's a compliment. Wasn't he like kind of weird? Oh, I'm gonna have to watch this. This was a really good show. There's only one way to make this right. 24-hour stream. Believe it or not, I when I had just like I was home. I think I was homeless like 2.5 years ago or something. My room looked kind of like this, except there was no bed frame. I was just sleeping on the floor. Crazy. Oh yeah, yeah. I was sleeping on the floor, and then I got a mattress, and I was sleeping on a mattress, and then what I did was I was like I got inspired by this thing I saw on Pinterest. It was like it's like a crate bed. So it's like they put these crates at the bottom of the bed. So I made one of these. I made one of these, and it was some of the best sleep I've ever gotten. So, to Quan, who was Quan? Quan Lee. No, to X underscore to Yuta. You're funny. You're so funny, right? They're so funny. You're so funny. They're so funny. I took him a bath today. A bath. Every inch of you clean. And the shampoo I used was like the $60 shampoo. Quan Lee, vibe coding is not the way. It is not the way, my friend. It really isn't. All right. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I was doing. Um, I was trying to get this together. These drop downs don't make any sense. Hold on. Stop. Stop. You always trying to lick somebody. Always trying to get somebody to scratch them. Stop. Okay. So I need to delete this button. Let's delete that button. Let's delete the button. Let's delete that button. And the button is in the hero. Boop. Button gone. Yay. Padding on this is a bit much at the bottom. But I think it's supposed to be a bit much. Huh? Let's see. It's supposed to be 48. That is definitely 64. 64. All right, let's change that. Let me tell you something, Quan. Quan, you watch your mouth. You kiss your mother with that mouth. You kiss your mother with that mouth. All right. Give y'all some Malachi action. Claude Code is the best choice for you. Why don't you expound on why Claude Code is the best choice for me? We would all love to hear it. Give us your best presentation. Claude Code. Tell me why Claude Code is the best. Tell me. Tell me, oh wise one, so that I may stop my manual coding quantity, as Professor Dev vibe coding will not get you jobs. Opera is my favorite browser. Opera is it's the browser of choice. It's the one that I use. It's the one that I use. Would you like to tell me about a better browser? I know you're itching to. I know you wanna. I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Go ahead. You can do it. Hold on, what? 16 left and right. Top and bottom needs to be 48, but it's 64. Why is it 64? Oh, Tell me, because I'm pretty sure you want to tell me to use another browser. Because no, everybody has to be the same. Right? Everybody got to be the same. Everybody got to do the same thing. Or else. Right, Malachi? Or else. I landed a job thanks to vibe coding a website, and the recruiter praised a lot and offered me a very high salary. And then, yay! That is so wonderful, Quan Lee. Everybody clap for Quan Lee. Yay, Quan Lee! You vibe coded your way to success. That's great. Oh my god, I'm literally about to cry. I can't believe you did it. You did it. You did it. You vibe coded your way to success. Oh my god. I'm so proud of you. You vibe coded. You did that. You vibe coded. Malachi. He vibe coded. He vibe coded his way to a high salary. Are you excited for him? Me too. That's the best thing I've heard all day. Literally, my life is forever changed because of you vibe coding. And I think that because you said that, I'm not going to give a fuck. All right. Do do do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do do do. Do do do. Do Oh, you got your stuff all. You got your penis all up on screen. Hold up. You got your thing gang. I can't have you out here like that, homie. No, you got your thing gang out. I didn't know it was like that. They can see all your thing gang. No. Okay? It's horrible. I hate white themes. That I don't like light themes. I don't like light themes. I don't like the way light themes look because I have sensitive eyes. Okay. Okay. Now we need to change these cards. Malachi, I just want to let you know that sometimes you get on my goddamn nerves. Light. Light. Ooh. Okay. No, it's not horrible, but you can also give a toggle to switch theme between white and dark blue or something, and currently it looks legit fire. Okay. I'm glad we have a light theme lover in the room. We love you for that a little bit. We love you for that. We love that you love the light theme. Ba-ba-bum, he likes his light theme. Ba-ba-bum, he likes that light thing. Ba-ba-bum, he said if it ain't light, it ain't tight. Ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum. Boom, boom, boom. Now we gotta fix these cards. I'm fine with either for me. It's not about theme, it's about getting the job done. That is so great. X underscore 2YUTA. That is so awesome. That is the best thing I heard all freaking day. Let me see something. Um, mm, um, First, let's go ahead and do that. And, um, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Oh, ooh, that felt good. That felt really, really good. Mm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That felt great. That that did it for me. That made me feel great. In here. In here. Right here. All right. Let's see. Where are you pulling docs so you can follow along? You can only follow. Yeah, if someone using VS Code and Light Theme, then he is not here for code. um. Okay. So what was I gonna say? I got distracted by the bullshit. You cannot follow along unless you go to front end mentor. You gotta have a front end mentor account to get this. You probably have a pro subscription to get this Figma file. So it's hold on. You said hold on. Let me understand what he said again. Where are you pulling the doc so I can? You can't follow. It's not really something you follow along. They just give you the look of what it needs to look. They just tell you what it needs to look like, right? But they don't tell you like it's not a follow along tutorial. You get what I'm saying, Andrew? Listen, you have a lot more charisma than I do, Jacob. I'm telling you, I'm just every somebody's gonna watch today and every single stream. Somebody's gonna say, "Are you using React? Are you using Tailwind? Are you gonna use a framework? You should learn backend." Hello, bro, from Serbia. I look yesterday. Your live. That site is very good. Thank you, sir. Every day it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. Makes me yell, Mel. Only the OGs know where I got that jingle from. Y'all remember Blues Clues back in the day? Let me tell y'all something. Let me tell y'all something. The height of my childhood. Let me tell you a story from yonder year. The year, if I was born in 91 and Pokemon, so this must have been like 97, 98. I remember it like yesterday. It was a stormy night. Okay. It was a stormy night. I was at the end of Pokemon Red. I was fighting the Elite Four. They were trying to whoop my ass, but I came with many a potion. I'm telling you. Blues Clues was on in the background. It was a thunderstorm. I was sitting right next to the door because I was scared as hell, and I shouldn't have been. I was the back in the day. I was the oldest, so I was the most responsible out of the three, and so they could leave me home alone and know that shit wasn't gonna burn down. So I'm sitting there playing my Game Boy, and it didn't have a backlit screen back in the day. So how was your life in the USA? Not need to tell if you don't want to. Hold on, let me tell my Game Boy story. Okay, it's my Pokemon story. So I'm sitting by the door. I'm talking about it's thunder and lightning. I beat what is it? Who's the first person in the Elite Four? I know it's damn. Who's the first person? I know it's Bruno, Agatha, Lorelai, and who am I missing? Oh, Lance, right? So I beat Lance's ass. Okay, I beat that Dragon Team's ass, and then out of nowhere, here comes Gary, and he's like, "Okay, well now I'm the Elite Four boss now." It was so hype. Blues Clues on in the background, a thunderstorm raging in the background. I'm like losing. I'm like sweating, playing on this Game Boy, trying to get light because they didn't have a backlit screen back in the day. Finally beat Gary, right? My God. and put my name in the Elite Four thing. You know, they had a little computer in the back. Y'all know about that. Y'all know about that. I'm telling you, gaming back in the day was just different. Y'all can hear that train. How was life in the U.S. Air Force? Life in the U.S. Air Force was fun. I had fun, and I met a lot of nice people. And I met some friends that I have till this day, right? And he might be watching right now. Actually, three of them are subscribed to me. You scared, Malachi? And man, what the Trump doing right now? Y'all can talk about the Trump. I ain't saying nothing about the Trump. I ain't got nothing to say about the Trump. I ain't got nothing to say about the Trump. The Trump is trumping, man. That Trump is trumping. He said, I'm trumping. Because you know, as soon as you start commenting on that stuff, people, you know, they getting their feelings. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Justify content space between is not what we want, but we do want center. And we do want it to be smaller. What's wrong? You just gonna stay here the whole time? Hmm? What's wrong? Y'all ever have a dog and y'all's dogs? You can tell dogs love you because they will literally stare at you. They will stare at you forever. If Malachi could be in my skin, he would. Hello, what kind of job did you do in the Air Force? Also, thank you for your service. I was an aircraft hydraulics technician. All right. I got 5 on it. Hold on, Malachi. Malachi, I need my other arm. So, hold on, let me. Yeah, lay your head down right there. You like that? All right. All right. You comfy? You want to be up here, so I guess this is what we doing. You can tell dogs love you because they literally like he stares at me. Man, I love dogs and cats, and I want to adopt some, but I know that I can't take proper care of them because of my current job and studies. I understand, yeah. I feel like having a dog is like kind of half of having a kid. Like I imagine. Well, no, nothing is like having a kid, but you know what I mean. Like they need attention. They need us. Need. They need us. 470 578. Yeah, man. Okay, that don't look bad. That don't look bad at all, man. That don't look bad at all. I have given him delicious meals. I'm talking about meals that you probably shouldn't give dogs, but I don't give a damn because there's no way you're gonna live on this planet like a quarter of my or less than a quarter of my lifetime and then not know what like I don't know a steak tastes like. What the fuck? So you just gonna come on this planet and then die and not know what steak tastes like? One thing I like is that he's into eating fruit too. He'll eat watermelon. He'll eat apples. He'll eat carrots because he likes to crunch. All right, so that's done. This doesn't give a. I need to see solutions to this problem because I haven't seen anybody. I haven't seen, there's no drop down for this inside of the file. Dun dun dun. But there is a drop down for this, which I have to do. On my life. That's if you press that button. That's if you press. If you press. All right. Oh yeah. So I need help. Can somebody? Nobody told me the stream went down. OBS didn't say. Oh, I do know. I know now. Does anybody give me, somebody post in the Discord like some headphones I could buy? Um and then yeah, some new headphones I could buy because I'm tired of these. And I took the cushion things off of them because I'm tired of them. I'm tired of them. Ugh. All right, so the next thing I need to do is work on this drop down thing. Uh, the never ending project. The never ending project. The never ending project. So this populates on the recipes page. So the recipes page, when you press on the recipe, it does this. Okay. I think I can make that work. That shouldn't be hard. Recipes details. Is that a separate page? Hmm. The never ending. The never ending project. All right, well then let's at least get something else done. I need to get this right there done. All right. So what does that look like? The never-ending project. So it is like a all right. The never-ending project. Boom boom. Oh, now I gotta check to make sure we still on because the chat ain't moving. All right. I gotta make this drop down. So let's see here. I can go live too. I just set everything up. Ooh, yeah, do that. Babs, 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 Babs. Y'all remember the video game Parappa the Rapper? Okay, so when I click this, I want to get the hamburger container. I'm gonna just do that down here. Just away from everything, because I already got so much code. I need to learn new coding concepts too. I can go live too. You're cheesing? Yay! You can do it. Hamburger container. Hamburger. Hamburger. Already got the hamburger container. So I'm just going hamburger container. Okay. Hey Kristen, let's play Among Us or something on Discord sometime. I'm down. I'm down to do that. Um, let's see. I'm glad he's right here because it's getting cold and he's like extremely warm. Um, and the drop down menu won't be hard to add. Um, I think what I'll do is I'll just make it a let's just say div dot drop down. Um, yeah, we're gonna say div dot drop down, and then we want it to have what's wrong? We wanted to have a hey Kristen, let's play. Okay, I already read that. It's only a matter of time. All right, let's see. Okay, so this is what we need to be looking at. So we need home, about, recipes, and a button. So that won't be difficult. What can we make a LI button? Let's find out. Can we make this whole thing a LI so we can say LI? No, we can say unordered list. LI times 4, and then can we make one a button? When we say button, and then we could say oops. How did I do it over here? Okay. Actually, I could have just did something like oh, this is in the about. It's only a matter of time. Da-na-na, da-na-na. Style.css. We need to go to 768. We are in the header. We need drop. All right, there we go. Why do you do that sometimes? Hey, Chris. Oh, It's only a matter of time. Bro, you want me to get you like a pillow or something? You got a pillow. All right. Mm-hmm. You got a pillow now? Wait. I'm about to put you on that bed, low key, high key. Here you go. Boop, boop. Mm. All right, so position relative. I wonder. That does not work on a position absolute. Hello, Piyush Patil. How are you doing? How's it going, man? I hope it's going good for ya. This is 768 pixels. This is 704. I wish there was a way to know how to automatically center a absolute div. So can I do from the left? All good. What about you? What you trying to do? I am making a recipe finder website and now I'm just doing a drop down. It's just a drop down. It's just a drop down. Oh, whoa. Um, I could do the math, but I would rather just eye it. Oh man. All right. So now we need to move it down. So can I do bottom 0? Nah. We gotta do top 0. Hey, just a suggestion, if you want some designs for website, you can try Google Stitch. It can create some awesome website designs according to your requirements. Now I'll look at that. What's crazy is that, what's crazy is that Front End Mentor isn't the only website where you can get designs. Like there's so many different designs to choose from. And at this point, Choosing the design ain't the problem. It's like actually finishing this. I encourage you to come and try this. Um, make me feel. Well, you want. Hold on. Oh, hey, honey. You said what? You want me to come get them? Are Are y'all serious? Oh, I thought they said something happened with Denmark or something. Because you know they had that whole all that stuff. Um. Oh, he was being funny. I really, really thought like for a second. Oh,
Yeah, was he inside the pillow?
man. Listen, when you talked about Denmark and all this extra stuff that's go, man, you saw I checked CNN real fast. I was like, what the hell? What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on in the world today? I think that's good. A little bit lower, actually. Let's make this 50%. Or yeah, because it's actually is at the very, very edge. Is at the very edge of this. All right, that's good. And I need it to have a higher Z index, so can I? All right, cool. Now it has the highest Z index, and now we can do a background color. Yeah, I was just like, because you know, I got so much crazy stuff going on in the world. That is not far-fetched at all. And that's the sad part about it. Oh, is it list style? How do you take the underlines from under a list? I mean, from under a link. Is it text? Maybe I should do the LI. Text decoration. Yeah, I just did that. That was the first thing I did. That's what I thought it was. Man, sometimes remove a element underline. It is text decoration none. So, oh, I'm targeting the wrong thing. Don't worry. Yeah. I'm targeting the wrong thing. I was doing it on the L out of U. Yeah, I was doing it on the wrong thing. What's up, internet? Um, and then I want that button. Are you really gonna do this to me right now? What's the height? The height is 52. What the hell? That's too much. Too much. Uh and then it has a border radius of what? Are you gonna tell me your border radius is? Okay, border radius of 10. Oop, my bad. My bad. Nah, oh no, no problem. Damn, you're a veteran. Thank you for your service, even though I live in Southeast Asia. Yeah, no problem. I could have sworn we had people from other countries in the military. Like there are people from oh my bad. Yeah, because I didn't want y'all to hear the conversation I just had. The way the way he stopped mid leg up was like, what you looking at? Malachi, we spend too much time together, I think. But at the same time, if I wasn't here, I'm pretty sure things would be boring. Hold up, are we on the? No, we're on the about. Oh, accidentally. What the hell just happened? Oh, why are you not using Tailwind CSS? Y'all handle that question. I'm not. I'm done. Like for real. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. And I told somebody, I leave me alone. I don't think is that is that white or oh yeah, that is white. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being mean. I know it's just that people ask me that every day. Um, I am learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I will be learning React and Tailwind in the future. So, but I would love to get my fundamentals down real, real packed. I want to know what I'm doing. So, if you're new here, this is day 70, and I try to stream every day. Yes, I try to stream every day. So I apologize if I came off as mean, but I do not use Tailwind right now. In the future. Actually, I wonder what Tailwind looks like. Hmm? Tim. Hmm. You should give me those jelly beans. What was I gonna say? Oh my god, bro, you're so chill. Jacob intensely sniffs his microphone every 20 seconds. Jacob, he sniffs it because he wants y'all to feel what he's feeling. That was actually kind of cool. Like after writing so much Flexbox and stuff, like seeing this, I did not know this was a feature. They have transitions and animations? Oh my. Hmm. Oh, somebody already invested in the company. Google. Google invested in them. Remember, that was last weekend when they were like, we have to lay off our staff. It's because of AI, which was a smart move by that CEO. Because let me tell you, getting online and saying that you have to lay off part of your workforce because of AI and AI scraping it, like, it goes deep. It goes deep. I feel like that was a setup for a lawsuit. Like if they didn't come in and try to support them, I think that would have been a no. I only no. Let me show you. We have a command for that. No, I don't use AI. You mean like you thought I use AI to code? Maybe I should use Tailwind.
That's like Big Bertha. Because you open up them jelly beans.
I didn't do that.
Lies.
You opened those jelly beans.
Lies. That's why you only get a little bit jelly beans.
Dang, you took so many.
You opened them up.
I opened them, but I didn't take them.
Lies.
Oh my god.
I was like, I'm gonna share my jelly beans with Chris. I went to go put it. I said, why does bag feel funny? Oh. Okay.
Oh my god. Maybe I should learn Tailwind. Hold on. Hmm. Hold on. Let me log into this thing. Let me find a Tailwind course. Let's see. Tailwind. I might learn Tailwind. I might learn a little Tailwind. Don't you like Tailwind? I use Udemy courses. All right. Let's see. It's free for me though. I have Udemy for free. Mm, yes, I have it for free. I have all the courses for free. Do 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 do. So this one has 5,000 ratings. This one has 284.5 hours. This is 12.5 hours long. Oh, this one is by Brad. I have it through I have it through the library, the public library. Some public libraries, some cities, some larger cities will give you access to this for free. There's so many resources that your city has that you don't use that's just free and laying around. And with my city, it's this. Let's see what this is about.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my Tailwind CSS course. So Tailwind is a utility-first framework. We'll talk more about what that means in a little bit. But basically, it gives you a ton of utility classes to work with and create layouts
I might learn. I might learn Tailwind.
so that you barely have to write any CSS.
I'm thinking about learning Tailwind.
It
Internet.
was a little iffy when Tailwind first came out because of the number of classes that you have to write, but after working with it for a while over the past year or two, I've pretty much been using it non-stop, and it makes creating layouts easier and it makes it much faster as well. So I wanted to create a project-based course on it so that I can teach you guys to do the same thing. And the only requirement for this is that you understand at least the basics of CSS. So you don't have to be a master at it, but you should know the common properties and the basics of Flexbox. Stuff that you can just learn right on my YouTube crash courses. Now, as far as the plan, I'm going to go over this more in the next video, but we're going to start off by just creating a sandbox to learn what Tailwind has to offer as far as classes and utilities. Once we get through that, we're going to look at creating a more custom environment with the Tailwind CLI, and I'll even show you how to set up Tailwind with Webpack and Post CSS if you want to use it in your custom JavaScript applications. So after learning all the utility classes in the sandbox, we're going to start to build some stuff. So we have 5 mini projects that we're going to start with, and these are simple projects like pricing grids, a login modal, a small image gallery layout, just some things to kind of get your feet wet. And then after that, we have 6 landing page website projects.
Oh, this is from Front End Mentor. This is from Front End Mentor. All of these are from Front End Mentor. all of these, all of the stuff in this course. That's why I keep telling people to use Front End Mentor. And y'all, I don't know, are y'all familiar with Brad Traversy? He makes a lot of videos on YouTube. It's interesting. Every single one of these is on Front End Mentor. This is the one that I got stuck on. I've done this one, so I mean, I might as well do these. This is the course.
Yes, and the designs were inspired by frontendmentor.io, which is a challenge website. So I talked to the owner. He gave me permission to use some of the project designs in this course, and I'll go through each project in the next video. And you can also see them live at tailwindfromscratch.com. Now, I do want to mention that writing classes...
I'm going to answer that in a second, Internet.
...can get kind of tedious, and if you're following along, you're going to be doing a lot of typing, but I purposely didn't do much copying and pasting or anything like that because I want you guys to get in the habit of typing out these classes. The goal for this course is to get you to the point where you don't have to reference the Tailwind documentation for anything. You know exactly what to do to get the layout that you want. I would say that my favorite thing about Tailwind is just how quick you can not only create layouts, but also edit them and test different things out quickly. And in order to do that, you need to remember most of the classes. So we want to get those drilled into your brain. All right, so in the next video, we're going to take a look at all the projects, and I'll explain the outline a little more. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my Tailwind CSS course. So Tailwind is a utility...
Hold on. Not every library has it. I'm using Houston's. Are you in Houston, Trey?
First framework. We'll talk more about what that means in a little bit, but basically it gives you a ton of utility classes to work with and create layouts so that you barely have to write any CSS at all.
Okay.
And I was a little iffy when Tailwind first came out because of the number of...
What are you trying to learn? Because I know you're a Java developer, right?
After working with it for a while over the past year or two, I've pretty much been using it nonstop, and it makes creating layouts easier.
I think Gale is an intermediary. I don't think they're...
So I wanted to create...
I don't know how that works.
...on it so that I can teach you guys to do the same thing. And the only requirement for this is that you understand at least the basics of CSS. So you don't have to be a master at it, but you should know the common properties and, the basics of Flexbox. Stuff that you can just learn right on my YouTube crash courses. Now, as far as the plan, I'm going to go over this more in the next video.
Acrylia just started a job.
To learn what Tailwind has to offer as far as classes and utilities.
So, since Acrylia just started a job, I don't know if I always need a mod in here. It's nice because he interacts with everybody. There are a ton of Java framework courses like Spring Boot on Udemy. Yeah, that's true. That's cool that you saw that you're like, y'all need to, I'm telling y'all need to check with your, just go to your city's website or whatever. If you're in the, I don't know how it is in other countries, but usually if you're in the States, they are always trying to do something, especially the libraries. They're always trying to give something for free. Even colleges, especially colleges. Colleges have so much free shit. Free shit you would never even think of. Oh, okay. Is
once we get through that, we're going to look at
Michigan. Let me just look at the map because sometimes I need to. All right, so yeah, okay, so Chicago is over here. All right, Kalamazoo, Ann Arbor, Detroit. Okay, so it looks like everything in this state. Let's see, everything in this state is mostly over here. Oh, no, here. Everything in Michigan is to the south, not to the north. I know somebody who's here. I'm way down here. I'm sorry that happened to y'all because we remember that one pileup that Texas had that was like deadly as hell. Maybe I should hold up. Let me. Oh my God. Man, the one in Texas had plenty of deaths. I'm glad y'all didn't have any. Oh yeah. Wasn't there a Texas pile up? Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all.
It's the accident turned catastrophe in just seconds.
That's the one that happened in
A
Texas.
semi-truck crushing car after car, captured by a driver on the Texas interstate. Only the collisions kept coming.
But yeah,
Rescue
people kept
drivers
running
were
into
meeting
it.
an early morning nightmare. A pileup of more than 130 vehicles, sending 65 people to the hospital and leaving 6 others dead. We had multiple
6
vehicles.
people passed away. Lord. There was a video of like the cars just kept coming. Like, okay, hold on. Is it this one? It's one of the ones. It was from the left hand. Let me see if I can find it. Um, I I think it was this one. As you can like the cars just kept coming and coming. They didn't. Oh, they did. It's almost like you just couldn't stop in time. You. Nothing they could do. Oh. Whew. All right. Well, we looked at that today. Um, it's crazy. I didn't even hear about this. It's crazy how like number one, people forget how big the United States is. Number two, it's crazy how something can go on in the north and we don't even know about it down here. I don't think it even made the front of CNN. If we go to CNN, it's not on the front of CNN. Oh yes, it is. Oh no, it's not. It's not even on the front of CNN. Is it on MSNBC? Nope. 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 It's nowhere. Isn't that crazy? So just to let you know how big the United States is, if some of y'all don't, I mean, I don't think size really, does size matter? I don't know. Well, to some people it does. All right.
Creating a more custom environment with the
Yeah,
CLI, and
they
I
are.
can show you how to set up Tailwind with Webpack and Post CSS if you want to use it
Okay.
for, your custom JavaScript application.
I think I might
So
call the
if you wanna
stream.
make all
I'm
these
tired.
classes in the sandbox, we're gonna
I
start
get up early. I think I might start learning
have
Tailwind. I might start learning Tailwind tomorrow or something. I don't know. I mean, why not? Where are we? Does Tailwind? Okay, listen. Does Tailwind? Tell me. Does Tailwind really make things faster? Hello. Okay. All right. That settles it. Because I'm tired of writing CSS. I think I'm at the point now where I'm tired of writing CSS. I am. Yeah. Well then, it's time. But I heard it does make your HTML look like a crazy man. But whatever. I'll start learning Tailwind. All right. Alrighty, well, I guess. Oh, nice. Well, there we go. Well, I know what I'm doing. All right, y'all. Well, Tailwind is on the docket now. We will be learning Tailwind. I want to thank all of you for joining. This was day 70. And y'all can all say that on day 70, we decided to learn Tailwind. So tomorrow will be the journey into Tailwind. I will begin. So I will see you guys later. All right. Ooh, I'm starting to get a little headache. Bye Trey, bye J Jai, bye Ado, bye Internet. Bye Death straight up 1 2 3. Ooh, that's a Joven. All right, bye. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Bye. I surely will let you know. Alrighty. I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.